This game, I want you to win as 5. Like, this is your final exam of the day.
Yeah, but it's like a group project, you know, and I'm not good at those.
My mom watched every LCS game as well.
Really?
Yeah. My mom says she likes the clown fiestas. Those are her favorite.
Pentakill!
Oh, give him penta, give him penta.
Give me penta!
Oh,
Give me penta!
give him the penta. Oh,
Hey!
I have laser on 1. Koki is here. Tony, don't chase.
Greg is small. Nice. Oh, nice.
Go wall, everyone.
They are GPL.
wait,
This is our time to get over the wall.
Yeah.
Hey, Poppy,
Slowly. I'm on Poppy.
Cookie down! Yeah, Poppy! Kill Poppy! I W him, kill Poppy! Nice, guys, good job.
Banana?
Yes,
Let's go banana.
I can pick banana, boys.
Go banana.
Let's go.
Okay, loving the banana.
I'm ulting. Okay, finish.
Nexus.
Go mid. Finish mid.
Come again? 50 seconds. We can end. Let's go mid.
Come in, kite. Ready, Thunder, okay. Okay. Go. Throw.
You can kill.
Just run.
No, Round 20. You can end.
Good job, guys. Kill him, boys. End the game. Oh. XPK, Sam, this is you, buddy. I believe in you. Oh, it's Matt's turn. Oh, shit. It's Matt's turn. Matt.
Please.
Oh, we can win for sure.
Yeah. It's hard, but like...
Yeah, it's hard.
Doable.
Yeah.
Go. Holy shit.
Hard and simple, boys.